Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher Elena. I teach English and I teach all the grades from grade 1 to grade 12. I also teach adults. So this video will be an amazing thing for you to learn today. So what is our topic? Our topic would be comparatives. Okay? What is comparatives? Comparatives comes from the word compare. We are going to compare things, we are going to compare people, we are going to compare places, right? And we're also going to compare animals, okay? First of all, for you to know how to compare things, you need to know what we call adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. Everything that you describe is an adjective. For example, Teacher Elena is tall. I am tall. This is red marker. For example, we also have this door. I want to describe, this door is white. White is an adjective that describes color. And this door is tall. I'm describing the length of the door. So, when we are talking about comparatives, we are including adjectives, describing words. When I say that I'm beautiful, I am describing myself. Now, let us go back to this. Comparatives. Comparatives is when you compare. It's when you compare. Now, come, let me show you. This is Elena, and this is a door. So I want to compare which one is taller than the other. Is it Teacher Elena that is taller than the door, or the door is taller than Elena? That's where comes the word. For example, let's look at the word tall. Tall. We are describing the height. Right? What is the general rule of using comparative? It's either you add or you add more than, or you add less than. Okay, tall. I am tall, the door is tall, but let's compare. Which one is taller than the other? Obviously, the door is taller than me. So I've added what? ER. Now, it depends on you if you want to say or you want to say ah. We have two different accents. You have or ah. You can say taller or you can say taller. It's still the same. Depends on which accent you feel comfortable using. Going back to the example I was using. So, the door is taller than Elena. I have added ER to describe one thing that is taller than the other, which is the door taller than me. Let's use another example that includes more than or less than, okay? There are words which you cannot add ER. We only add ER when these words are short. We only add when the words are short. For example, we have big. So, big, do we use more than big or do we use bigger? We use bigger because we add ER, okay? We also have small. You add small, you add ER to small and it gives you smaller. So it basically works like that. We use ER, we add ER in short describing words like, for example, we also have smart. Smart is someone who is good. Someone who is good at something. Okay? So smart We can add ER to change to be a comparative word to smarter. Okay, we have added ER. You can say smarter or smarter. Smarter. It depends on you. But I feel like the best accent for me to use is her. Smaller, bigger, smarter. Okay? Well, now I want to introduce words that we add more than or less than. Okay? There are words like expensive. Do you say expensive? Of course not. Expensive is a long word. So if expensive is a long word, we add more than or we add less than. Okay? For example, let me use this water bottle. We have two water bottles here, right? We have this one and this one. Which one do you think is more expensive? Both are, maybe, okay, let's see. Both bottles are expensive, both of them. But which one is more expensive? Is it the Tupperware or is it the sports bottle? In my opinion, I feel like the Tupperware is more expensive than the sports bottle, okay? And I might reverse the statement. I would say this sports bottle is more expensive than the Tupperware, and the Tupperware is less expensive than the water bottle. So if this is more expensive, that means this is less expensive. I don't know if you understood. If you do not understand, feel free to put your question under the section column. Or if you feel like this lesson was useful, you've learned something, you can also send in the comment section. And do not forget to like, switch on the subscription button, and share to your friends, to your family, whoever who you think may benefit from this lesson. We also have other things to compare. I have a set of books here. Okay, we have this one in agenda, and we also have this book. So these are books, but one book is small and another book is big. So how do we compare these two books? This book is smaller, okay? So this book is smaller than the blue book. This is how we compare things. You cannot say this book is small than this. This book is small this. This book is smaller than this. They may both be small, but this one is smaller than this one. Okay? And seems like I don't have another one. And we also have these two books, right? That one is smaller than the other, but these ones I feel like they are equal. Okay? But another question, which book is beautiful? Is it this one or this one? Beautiful. The answer would be this book is more beautiful, more organized, more clean than this one. We cannot say this book beautifuler than this book. It doesn't make sense. This book is more beautiful than this book. This book is more clean than this other book. And that's it for today. I am going to prepare another lesson to talk about comparatives by extending the topic more further so you can understand. This is just a beginning. This is an introduction. Okay? What you need to know is how to use adjectives to compare things. Remember, short words we add ER. Okay? Tall, taller. Small, smaller. organized or less organized? I hope you like this video. I hope it becomes useful to you. Please share. Don't stay with this lesson alone. Share with your friends, share with your family, and I'll see you on the next video.